Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making some smothered chicken. It's great for your Sunday dinner with family or friends. Juicy and flavorful, so keep on watching for the full recipe. So first we're going to start off with our seasoning, and you know when it comes to our chicken, it's going to be seasoned. First I added some paprika and some chili powder. To that I added some onion powder, and then I added my garlic powder. I then added some oregano and some black pepper and salt and mixed my seasonings together. So now to season our chicken, we're going to make sure our chicken is washed and pat dried, and I used leg and thighs. I added 3/4 of my seasoning mixture to my chicken and make sure they were all fully coated. So for my flour mixture, I added my flour to a large bowl and added the remainder of my seasoning mixture to that flour. I used a spoon to make sure my seasoning is fully incorporated in my flour. So time to prepare our chicken to be fried. I added my chicken one by one to my flour mixture. Make sure it's fully coated and shake all the excess flour off. Once we're finished flouring our chicken, we want to add some vegetable oil to a hot pan. So I didn't add a lot of oil, I just added enough oil to get my chicken brown on each side. So we will not be cooking our chickens fully. We just need each side to be nice and brown, and we will finish it off in the oven later on. So this is my chicken, nice and brown on each side, and we just want to remove our chicken from the oil, and we will be reusing this pan for our roux. So to the same pan I added my onions, and you want to cook that for 2 to 3 minutes, and I also went in with some minced garlic. So once my onion is cooked, I went in with some flour that I had left over from the flour mixture I used. You do not want to get rid of that. It is full of flavor. You want to mix that in and cook out that flour taste. So once we're done cooking out that flour taste, we want to add our chicken stock slowly and whisk as we add. If you do not do this, your roux won't come together as it should, and you will have like some flour clumps. You ever ate something before, cooked something before, you have them clumps of flour? You do not want that. So just whisk slowly and add your chicken stock in small increments. Once our roux starts to come together, we want to add our heavy cream. You want to whisk as you add, and you want to add in small amounts. Whisk every time you add and continue whisking. The heavy cream will help our roux to have a rich and creamy consistency. Now to add some flavor to our roux, I added some onion powder, some garlic powder, paprika, chili flakes, and some chili powder. I whisked that all together and let that simmer. So my roux is looking nice and creamy. I added 3 cubes of chicken bouillon and let that cook for 2 to 3 minutes. To a baking dish, I added all my chicken that I browned earlier, getting them ready for the oven. Next, I added my roux to my chicken and made sure all my chicken was sitting at least halfway in my roux. Once my chicken was sitting nicely in my roux, I added it to a 425-degree oven for 1 hour. This is how my smothered chicken turned out. I served it with some dirty mash and it was flavorful. Look how soft that chicken is. Look at the steam coming from it. It is fresh out the oven. It was so delicious. If you like this video and you want to try this recipe, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys for the support, and thank you guys for watching.